Today, we're diving into the bold, high-tech, and powerful world of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500, a full-size pickup truck that's redefining what it means to be both rugged and refined. Built for those who demand strength without sacrificing sophistication, the Sierra brings together heavy-duty capability, cutting-edge innovation, and luxurious comfort in one dynamic package. Whether you're hauling heavy loads to a job site, heading off-road into the unknown, or cruising the highway in style, this truck is engineered to meet every challenge head-on. Let's talk design, because the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 doesn't just show up, it makes a statement. With a refreshed and bolder front-end look, the Sierra grabs attention the moment it rolls into view. The signature C-shaped LED headlights have been redesigned for a sleeker, sharper appearance, framing an even wider and more aggressive front grille that varies by trim level. From the rugged AT4 to the ultra-luxurious Denali Ultimate, each version has its own unique styling, whether it's blacked-out accents on the elevation or the stunning Vader chrome finish on the Denali Ultimate. Strong character lines run along the body, emphasizing the truck's muscular stance and aerodynamic profile, while new wheel designs and updated tail lamps complete the modernized look. And let's not forget the Multi-Pro tailgate, GMC's six-function innovation that adds unmatched versatility whether you're loading tools, stepping into the bed, or setting up a mobile workstation. From every angle, the 2026 Sierra 1500 blends toughness with modern sophistication, proving that power and style can ride side by side. Interior design. Step inside the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 and you'll find a cabin that feels more like a premium SUV than a rugged pickup. GMC has elevated interior quality across the board with upscale materials, smart layout, and cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the dashboard is a large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Just ahead of the driver, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers a customizable and modern view of essential driving data, while an available 15-inch head-up display projects real-time info directly onto the windshield. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 offers a powerhouse lineup of engines designed to match every driving need, from everyday capability to serious towing strength. The base TurboMax 2.7-liter inline-4 is anything but basic, delivering 310 horsepower and a whopping 430 pound-feet of torque, perfect for light-duty hauling with impressive fuel efficiency. Stepping up, the proven 5.3-liter V8 pushes out 355 horsepower, and the legendary 6.2-liter V8 brings serious muscle with 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, giving you that classic V8 roar with modern refinement. For those who prioritize torque and long-haul efficiency, the 30-liter Duramax Turbo offers 305 horsepower and a massive 495 pound-feet of torque, ideal for heavy towing and long-distance drives. All powertrains are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers confident shifting and optimized performance. When properly equipped, the Sierra can tow up to 13,300 pounds, making it one of the most capable trucks in its class. Whether you're hauling a trailer, climbing mountain roads, or just heading to work, the Sierra's performance options ensure there's no job too big. When it comes to safety, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is packed with advanced features designed to keep you confident and protected on every drive. Standard across most trims is the GMC Pro Safety Package, which includes must-have features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and following distance indicator. These features work together to help prevent accidents before they happen, whether you're in stop-and-go traffic or cruising down the highway. Higher trims add even more peace of mind with the available GMC Pro Safety Plus suite, which includes blind zone steering assist, rear cross-traffic braking, HD surround vision, and rear pedestrian detection. And for those long highway drives, GMC's hands-free Super Cruise system takes safety and convenience to the next level, now upgraded to work even while towing and capable of automatic lane changes on compatible roads. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or wide-open highways, the 2026 Sierra is built to look out for you from every angle. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 isn't just another pickup. It's a bold statement of what modern trucks can and should be. From its aggressive new exterior design to its refined and tech-rich interior, this truck manages to strike a rare balance between rugged utility and upscale comfort. Whether you're hauling thousands of pounds for work, tackling challenging off-road terrain on the weekend, or just commuting in style, the Sierra is built to meet every need with confidence. The wide range of powertrains, including a fuel-efficient Turbo 4, powerful V8s, and a torque-rich diesel, means there's a Sierra for every type of driver. Inside the cabin, you're greeted with features that were once reserved for high-end luxury vehicles, like massaging seats, real wood trim, a 13.4-inch touchscreen, and hands-free Super Cruise. Safety is just as advanced, with a full suite of driver assistance features working behind the scenes to keep you protected and in control. And with multiple trims ranging from the work-ready Pro to the luxury-laden Denali Ultimate and off-road-focused AT4X, the Sierra lineup is more versatile than ever. GMC has clearly listened to what drivers want: strength, technology, comfort, and style, and delivered it all in one impressive package. So if you're in the market for a full-size truck that refuses to compromise and checks all the boxes, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new car review. We've got plenty more automotive content coming your way, from first drives to full comparisons and everything in between. Got questions about the Sierra? Or maybe you're deciding between this and another truck? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.